Hello everyone. I'm recording this video one day later because yesterday I only recorded my screen for this video and not the audio. Okay, so we used the pipeline and we have checked over here some of the files that show us some error logs or some output information. Now we would like to see which feature values have been calculated by our pipeline. Well, they are stored in the drop zone under that CSV name that we gave it earlier. Like probably most of you will not change it. You can change it to your name and to the date that's written earlier in this documentation. So let us go there. Change directory from the code to here. See over here that the drop zone. So change directory to the drop zone. Whenever you see the text finish quickly, as if I'm not typing it, I'm typing as many letters as will identify the folder that I want to go to. So in this folder in projects, there's only one folder starting with the D. So as soon as I type D top, it knows to go to drop zone. If there had been another folder starting with a D, and the second letter, for example, would be an A, then I would have to type the first two letters to identify that I want to go to the next folder, drop zone, top. Okay. ls. Here we see a lot of information, of course, and then we'll go to the output 2025-04 test CSV. Well, here we see a lot of information. It's a CSV where up until here are the names of all the features that are being calculated or gathered. Right, so this is one. These are all the column names. Yeah. Then over here, it's our first entry. So this is one representing one row. Here, for example, is the subject. Then we have the date coming after it, the Praat ID, file name, etc., etc. So this thing is the file name, right? And then these are all the values being calculated for this specific file. Well, here we can see quite some data. You lose track. Like here's the one of 4, here's the one of 5, 6, 7. These are based on which input you give it, of course. Well, we can go down a bit. Oh, I went too far down. Well, this is to say that a lot of things have been calculated now, right? This is a good example. Here we see the same person right after each other, PG169. This is of course because there's multiple audio files of the same person, right? So even I lose track. Here, this one date and this is another date, right? So this is how it is organized, the output data. Then this data you can download. In a subsequent video, I'll tell you how to download it. And then you can do your analysis on it.